This dance is called Mountain of Love. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot into a vine. So we're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, and we're going to brush the left forward. Now when we do this brush, I'm just making gentle contact with the ground with the ball of the foot. So it's very gentle, brush forward. We're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So we're going to vine to the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, brush the right forward. That set of steps once more then, vining to the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross rock, right over left. So you're going to step the right across the left as you rock onto it, and then you recover your weight back onto the left. So that's a cross rock. Chasse to the right. Now these chasse steps are slightly different timing. They're 1 and 2 count timing steps. Now what you have to think of is that the and count is half a beat of music. So the 1 and, so your first 2 steps are to half a beat of music, and then the 2 is to your full beat of music. So with the chasse, you're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. That is your chasse sequence of steps. Because they're 1 and 2 count timing, instead of it being 1, 2, 3, you're actually going to be doing 1 and 2. So you can see how those first 2 steps feel a little bit quicker than the others. So we're then going to repeat all of that with the left foot leading. So I'm going to cross the left over the right as I rock forward onto that left, and I recover my weight back onto the right. I'm now going to chasse to the left. Again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. So that set of steps once more then, cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse. Let's add those 2 sections together. Vining to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse. Into a weave. Now a weave is different to a vine. With a vine you will always start stepping to the side. With a weave you will start crossing over or crossing behind. So with this one we are going to cross over to start with. So we cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left. That is our weave to the left. Point the left out to the side. So it's literally just resting there. Cross that left over the right because there's no weight on it, so I can move that left nice and easily. Point the right to the side. So again, there's no weight on this right foot, it's just resting there. So I can move that right as I cross the right over the left, point the left to the side again. So that set of steps once more then, weaving to the left, right foot to start, crossing over, 7, 8, cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, cross, point. add that to the top. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, cross, point. Into a jazz box with a quarter turn and a touch at the end. So you're going to cross that left over the right, step back on the right. Here comes the turn, quarter turn to the left. So you're going to turn yourself a quarter left as you step forward on that left, and I actually keep turning until my body is facing the next wall. So I haven't got any twists in my body at all. I have made that turn, even though it has meant my right heel has now lifted off the floor. That's absolutely fine. Better to have your heel off the floor and no twists in your body than actually do your core some damage. To finish the jazz box, we're just going to touch the right beside the left. So again, it is just resting there. There is no weight on that. The weight is all on my left foot. Step that right to the side. Kick the left over the right. And as you kick, you can also clap. Step the left to the side. Kick the right over the left and clap. End the dance when you get to that point. So let's try that last section once more, that jazz box with that quarter turn on it. Crossing the left over the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, touch, side, kick, side, kick. Don't forget you can clap with those kicks as well. So that gets us to the end of the dance. Let's put it all together. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, cross, point. Cross, back, turn, touch, side, kick, side, kick. So that is your dance. Now it is just a little bit faster than that. So what we'll do is we'll repeat the front wall, speed it up just a little bit, and then we'll keep going around the other 3 walls. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, cross, point. Cross, back, turn, touch, side, kick, side, kick. Side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, cross, point. Cross, back, turn, touch, side, kick, side, kick. Side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, cross, point. Cross, back, turn, touch, side, kick, side, kick. Side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse. Cross, side, behind, point, cross, point, cross, point, cross, back, turn, touch, side, kick, side, kick. So I hope you managed to follow that. That is your dance and your walk throw. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, six, seven, eight. Side behind, side rush, side behind, side brush, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, side behind, point, cross, cross, back, turn, touch, side kick, side behind, side brush, side behind, side brush, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, side behind, point, cross, back, turn, touch, side kick, side behind, side brush, side behind, side brush, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, side behind, point, cross, back, turn, touch, side kick, side behind, side brush, side behind, side brush, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, side behind, point, cross, back, turn, touch, side kick, line, cross rock, weave, chasse, vine, cross rock, weave, chasse, vine, cross rock, weave, jazz, vine, cross rock, weave, jazz. Hope you managed that one.